Hello, my name is Ducky, and welcome to English with Ducky. Today's lesson is the months of the year. We're going to learn the 12 months in English and understand their order and how to use them. Why is this important? The months help to talk about your birthday or holidays and helps understand dates and schedules. They are useful for school, travel, and daily life. It also helps you describe events in the year. The 12 months from the first month of January go all the way to the 12th month, December. Here is how to pronounce each and every month of the year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Go ahead and pause here so you can learn the pronunciation. To use the months in a sentence, you would say things like, my birthday is in May, or school starts in September. I love December because of the holidays, or it's very hot in July. And now it's practice time. Say these nice and out loud. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And now it's quiz time. Let's go ahead and see everything you've learned. Question 1. How many months are there in a year? Is it A, 12, B, 10, or C, 7? That's right. It's A, 12. Question 2. Which month comes after April? Is it A, June, B, March, or C, May? Good job. It's C, May. Question 3. Which month is the last of the year? Is it A, December, B, November, or C, January? That's right, it's A, December. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? Is it A, my birthday in July, B, my birthday is in July, or C, I birthday in July? Good job. It's B. My birthday is in July. You did amazing. And in summary, there are 12 months in a year. Learn and practice them in their order. Don't forget to use in plus the month to talk about time. For example, in June. And make sure to keep practicing every day. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe. And we have a book out that you can go ahead and read along with us. Scan the QR or look in the description to be able to find the book online.